Cardano value equivalent to $0.3506 a coin in a kind of enormous manner. The present range, 34 cents 37 cents in a significant way. The earlier day close, 37 cents. The change was 0.0268, 7.10%. Reverse rate, USD to ADA. Cardano value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2027. Cardano cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at $0.37. Most extreme cost 44 cents, least cost 35 cents. The normal for the month 39 cents. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 40 cents. Change for June 8.1%. ADA to USD expectations for July 2023. At the outset cost at $0.40 in an exceptionally significant manner. Greatest cost 45 cents, least cost 37 cents, or so they thought. The in every way that really matters. Normal for the month 41 cents in a significant manner. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 42 cents. Change for July 5.0%, in spite of mainstream thinking. Cardano cost expectation for August 2023. At the outset cost at $0.42 in a significant manner. Most extreme cost 43 cents. In every way that really matters. Least cost 37 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents in a significant manner. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 40 cents. Change for August 4.8%. ADA to USD expectations for September 2023 in an unpretentious manner. At the outset cost at $0.40, which fundamentally is very huge. Greatest cost 43 cents, least cost 37 cents. The especially normal for the month 40 cents in an unpretentious manner. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 40 cents. Change for September 0.0% amazingly. Cardano cost expectation for October 2023, or so they thought. In the first place cost at $0.40. Greatest cost 49 cents, least cost 40 cents. The sort of normal for the month 44 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 46 cents. Change for October 15.0%. ADA to USD expectations for November 2023 in a significant manner. In the first place cost at $0.46. Greatest cost 46 cents. For the most part least cost 39 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents in a significant manner. Cardano cost conjecture toward the month's end 42 cents. Change for November 8.7%. Cardano cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at $0.42, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Most extreme cost 52 cents, especially least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for December 16.7%. ADA to USD expectations for January 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.49 incredibly. Greatest cost 49 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 44 cents incredibly. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 41 cents. Change for January 16.3%. Cardano cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at $0.41. Most extreme cost 41 cents, least cost 32 cents. The normal for the month 37 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 34 cents. Change for February 17.1%. ADA to USD expectations for WOC 2024. To start with cost at $0.34. Greatest cost 34 cents. All things considered, least cost 30 cents. The normal for the month 33 cents amazingly. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 32 cents. Change for spring 5.9%. Cardano cost expectation for April 2024. Before all else cost at $0.32. Most extreme cost 33 cents. Least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 31 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 31 cents. Change for April 3.1%, which truly is genuinely huge. ADA to USD expectations for May 2024 in an essentially huge manner. In the first place cost at $0.31. Greatest cost 31 cents, least cost 25 cents. The in every way that really matters. Normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost figure toward the month's end 27 cents. Change for May 12.9% incredibly. Cardano cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else cost at $0.27 in an unpretentious manner. Most extreme cost 32 cents, least cost 27 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end 30 cents. Change for June 11.1%. ADA to USD expectations for July 2025. To start with cost at $0.10. Greatest cost 10 cents. least cost 7 cents. The normal for the month 9 cents incredibly. Cardano cost estimate toward the month's end 8 cents. Change for July 20.0%. USD to ADA conversion scale certainly equivalent to 2.8523 Cardanos per $1. Today, S-reach 2.6371-2.8802. The past day, S nearby 2.6497. Change for now plus 0.2026, plus 7.65%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027 US dollars to ADA expectations for June 2023. In the first place, cost at 2.703 Cardanos. Greatest cost 2.857, least 2.273. The truly normal for the month 2.583. The USD to ADA conjecture toward the month's end 2.500. Change for June 7.5%. Dollar to Cardano conjecture for July 2023, which is genuinely critical. At the outset, cost at 2.500 Cardanos. Most extreme cost 2.703, least 2.222. The normal for the month 2.452. The USD to ADA figure toward the month's end 2.381. Change for July 4.8% in an unobtrusive manner. USD to ADA expectations for August 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.381 Cardanos. Greatest cost 2.703, least 2.326. The normal for the month 2.478. The USD to ADA gauge toward the month's end 2.500. Change for August 5.0%. Dollar to Cardano gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 2.500 Cardanos. Greatest cost 2.703, least 2.326. The fundamentally normal for the month 2.507, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The USD to ADA gauge toward the month's end 2.500. Change for September 0.0%. USD to ADA expectations for October 2023. To start with, cost at 2.500 Cardanos. Greatest cost 2.500, least 2.041. The normal for the month 2.304. The USD to ADA figure toward the month's end 2.174. Change for October 13.0%, which is genuinely critical. Dollar to Cardano estimate for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at 2.174 Cardanos. Greatest cost 2.564. Beautiful least 2.174. The normal for the month 2.323, as opposed to mainstream thinking. The USD to ADA figure toward the month's end 2.381. Change for November 9.5%. Or so they thought. USD to ADA expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at 2.381 Cardanos, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Greatest cost 2.381, beautiful least 1.923. The normal for the month 2.182. The USD to ADA figure toward the month's end 2.041. Change for December 14.3% in a significant manner. Dollar to Cardano figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 2.041 Cardanos. Most extreme cost 2.